You'll find all the ingredients in the video description. Feel free to check it before we get started. I score the top of the eggplant and pop it into the oven. 200 degrees Celsius for an hour. It should turn soft inside, almost like butter. In the meantime, I dice the chicken breast into small cubes. The smaller, the faster it cooks. I chop up an onion, as quietly as I can, since my little one just fell asleep in the next room. I finally chop some garlic, or you can grate it if you prefer a gentler flavor. I warm a bit of olive oil in a pan. I love this moment. Nothing smells yet, but it's about to begin. I toss in a sprig of fresh rosemary. Just one is enough to make the whole kitchen smell like a garden. Back to the chicken. It goes into the pan and cooks until it gets a little golden. I season it with salt and pepper, just the way we like it. Then in go the onions and garlic. They sauté with the meat until everything softens. To finish, our favorite spices, some sesame seeds and a splash of teriyaki sauce. I cook it all through, and that's it. Love quick healthy food? Stay tuned for new recipes each week. I grate some yellow cheese, and yep, someone always sneaks a bite while I'm at it. I take the eggplant out of the oven, hot, soft, and smelling amazing. I mash the inside with a fork until smooth. It's surprisingly easy and so satisfying to do. I add the grated cheese to the eggplant and mix it all together until nicely combined. I slice up some tomatoes and lay them across the top. And finally, I spoon over the warm, flavorful chicken. All done! Simple, tasty, and just right for a quiet dinner after a long day. Thank you you for cooking with me today. Leave a heart if you love cozy oven-baked meals like this one.